Welcome to Trojan on Solana. Today, let's step into copy trading. From the Start menu, select Copy Trade. Don't see it? Switch to Advanced mode. Click the plus button to create a new setup. Let's tag it with a name you'll recognize. Then enter the target wallet address. Now decision time. Let's set up how you copy. You can set a buy percentage, let's say 10%. So if the target buys with 10 SOL in one transaction, you'll buy with 1. Or go fixed, always buy with a set amount no matter what the target spends. Looking for a hedge? Head into advanced settings and set a max buy amount. This means if your target buys big, that cap keeps you safe. Say your target spends 10 SOL and you're copying 100%, but you set a 2 SOL max. The bot will copy, but it will never spend more than that 2 SOL. Now let's talk about selling. Enable copy sells to mirror the target's moves. Remember, sells are proportional. If the target sells half of their stack, you sell half of yours. Or keep copy sell off. Manage sells yourself. You can even activate an auto sell profile in advanced settings. Make the tool work for you. On to gas and slippage. Keep in mind, you're copying a trade. A slightly higher tip may make sense to be as close to the target as possible. Same goes for slippage. Consider going a bit higher than normal. Back in advanced settings, there's duplicate buys. Turn it on and you copy every buy. Turn it off and you only copy the first buy per token. Sell everything? The count resets, lets you copy buy that token again. Want to play it safer? Enable only renounced, so you only copy buy tokens without dev control. Or exclude pump fund tokens entirely. Set filters like minimum liquidity, buy amount, or market cap. Be precise and use the right format. Blacklist tokens by address to easily skip what you don't want. Set retries, 0 to 5 for trades that fail. Once it's all dialed in, double check the setup and hit Add to save. Managing is easy. From the copy trade menu, you can pause, resume, or manage all copy trades at once. A green circle means active, orange means paused. Find a setup you like, use duplicate setup to run it again with a new target wallet. Keep in mind, copy trading takes a little fine-tuning, but when it clicks, it's worth it. Take your time and find a good target. Not all wallets are built the same, and some trades can't be copied like snipers or custom programs. For any questions, you can always jump to our Telegram chat 24/7. Good luck in the trenches.